namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. So today's pick a card reading is about your new beginning. What is this new energy? That is going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings also, so whenever you watch, this reading might have a message for you guys. So I have 3 cards over here, and I have kept 3 crystals. So use your intuition and then select a pile that calls to you. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, let go of all the worries, and then connect with your spirit guides or angels or your god goddesses, and just first relax, take few deep breaths, and then select a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so for group number 1, we have this card, an aquamarine crystal. Group number 1. For group number 2, it's hematite. And for group number 3, it's bloodstone. So close, relax, and select a pile that calls to you. Okay, so the timestamps will be in the description box, so watch accordingly. I'm going to start with group number 1. Number 1, if you have chosen this aquamarine crystal, let's see what is your message. So you have drawn the card a 6th chakra, Archangel Metatron, and the rune Eva. So what I'm getting is like you're freeing yourself from your limited beliefs. You're freeing yourself from, like, if you're feeling depressed or if you're anxious, you're freeing yourself from that. I feel like you're freeing yourself from the mental prison. Like yeah, I'm even getting you're freeing yourself from the addictions, from maybe you're letting go of toxic people, you're letting go of your toxic habits, you're freeing yourself from your past, your limited beliefs, your limited views about yourself. You are freeing yourself and moving forward. That's what I'm getting. And you're working with spirit. So there is like you are working on your third eye or crown chakra. You're receiving a lot of messages, you're meditating, you're taking your health very seriously, you're taking your mental health very seriously, you're making yourself a priority, you're having a balanced diet. So a healthy lifestyle is this what I'm getting. Yeah, healthy lifestyle, that's where you're going. You're not taking criticism too seriously, you're not arguing with people. I feel like for some of you, you have anger issues, maybe you're dealing with it, like you're working on that. You're trying to change that. Maybe you're going to therapy, counseling. So yes, you're making yourself a priority. Your visions, your projects, your goals, your dreams, you're making that a priority. So maybe in the past you listened to your parents, to your friends, what they were telling you, you were doing it and you didn't feel good. So you are not going to be in a place where you're feeling trapped anymore. You're freeing yourself and moving forward. Maybe you will stay at that place, but you will be not trapped by them. Yeah, because you're freeing yourself. Sometimes we trap ourselves mentally. You're not doing that. You're freeing yourself and you're moving forward. For some of you, I see that you are definitely physically moving from some place where you were trapped, where you're feeling confused. Maybe a workplace where there was money, there was raise, but you were not feeling good in that place. You were feeling trapped. You were feeling, why I'm doing this job. Maybe you're freeing yourself and you're moving forward. You're doing something that makes you happy. You're going to do something that is beneficial for you, that doesn't give you anxiety, that makes you happy from inside. So you are working with spirit. As I feel like your third eye is your third eye is popping. I feel like that, like you're getting very clear on what you want to do. You're letting go of the limited beliefs, the societal rules. You're letting go of that. So attachments, the attachments that are not good for you, you are understanding, because I feel like you're becoming very aware. Maybe through therapy you are very aware now what you need to do, what is good, not good for you, what habits are blocking your success. So you're very aware now. So that's why your vision is getting clear. You're freeing yourself and you're moving forward. So this is a energy of like peacefulness, calmness, not like that's what this is this energy I'm getting. Peace, not feeling guilty about anything, not like people pleasing. Maybe you have a tendency of people pleasing. You are like letting go of that. Now you're pleasing yourself. That's something I'm getting here. Okay, so that's the energy. So maybe for some of you, you always wanted to be that good child, so you always listen to your parents, but finally you're understanding that that is not making you happy. Maybe your parents wants you to do something that you don't want to do, so finally you're saying, no, I don't want to do this thing because it's not making me happy. It's taking my mental peace away. So you are making a decision to take your mental health very seriously and doing the things that you love, that makes you happy, and not saying yes to everything. You're like, I'll say no if I don't feel like it. Like that's what I'm getting here. Yeah, you're healing that. I feel like you're healing your past. And for some of you, this can also be like you are taking your spirituality very seriously. Maybe a spiritual career you want to do. So maybe you're focusing on that. Not everyone has to do that, but definitely you're healing. You're healing. Definitely you're healing your past, your trauma, your childhood beliefs. The parents, sometimes the parents put a lot of limited beliefs upon us. You're healing that. You're overcoming that. You're overcoming all the sometimes we feel like we have to do that for them. We have to do that for my friends. Even if I'm depleted, even if I'm not not feeling good, I have to be for my friend. You felt like that. Now you are like, no, if I'm not feeling well, how I'll help others? So I have to take care of myself. So you're healing yourself, you're taking care of yourself, because you're understanding that not everyone, you're understanding that you're not for everyone. You cannot be there for everyone. So that's why I feel like what you're doing is like you're focusing on yourself, you're focusing on your mental health. This is the energy. You're letting go of people. You're not going to please anyone. You don't want to please anyone anymore. So you're just focusing on yourself, your own healing. Slowly but surely, you're letting go of that confusion. You're letting go of that problems. Your perception is definitely shifting. That's what I'm getting. The way you see things, the way you used to view things is completely shifting for you guys. Maybe for some of you, it's like financial healing also. Maybe in your past, you were told that you have to work hard, you have to work like 12 hours a day, then only you will get the money and all. But finally, you're letting go of that belief also, that smart work can also pay, right? So that's what I'm getting, like financial healing, health healing, mental health healing. So a lot of things are healing for you guys. And now you are becoming, like, I'm not saying that you are very strong right now, but you're definitely coming out of that darkness. Now you're seeing the light. You're feeling good about yourself, right? You're not looking for validation from others. You're like, yes, I'm okay, I'm valid, I'm feeling good. I can go out today, so I'm going out. You're not seeking validation from other people. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, so this is that. You're feeling free. You're not carrying the baggages from the past. So what is this new energy for group number 1? Look at the bigger picture. Yes, you are looking at the bigger picture. That is the new energy I'm getting here. You're changing your perception. You're stepping back and seeing things from a different point of view. Maybe you used to blame your parents for something. Now you're understanding that your parents shouldn't be blamed, because they also don't know what they're doing. They are just going with the societal rules. They don't know. They feel like that we have to do this. Sometimes our parents also don't know what they're doing. They just go by the rules. And now you have a different picture. Like your perception about life, about things, because you are growing spiritually, is completely changing. I feel like you're seeing like divine is showing you a different picture. Like divine is giving you that clarity that you need, right? And divine is telling you to move forward with your goals, with your passion. And now it's not the time to listen to other people. It's not the time to ask for validation. It's time to do what you want to do from your life. Like list your goals and go forward. So that's with this bow and arrow. It's like aim where you want to go and then just move, right? That's what I'm getting. Sagittarius energy. Like Sagittarius are people who like seek for things. They learn a lot, right? Maybe you can learn things, different things. That's what I'm getting. Like maybe an entirely different career path for some of you, but this career path will help you with your spiritual growth as well. Will help you to grow as a person. Maybe you were not growing as a person. Now I see is like growth for you guys. You're understanding a lot of things, even though these things are uncomfortable, but at the end it is making you happy. And you're like, yes, I overcome this. Yeah, this happened because of this. My parents are not at fault because they didn't know what they're doing. Yeah, you're understanding things, you're forgiving people. It's like you're freeing yourself from all these things. You're forgiving, you're moving forward. That's what I'm getting here. So let's see what else for group number 1. What is this new energy? I'm getting a feeling, a sense of like relief for you guys. Yes, you're like, yes, I was not the problem. It was not me. You are understanding that and you're feeling very revealed. It was not my mistake. Yeah, a sense of relief. For some of you, it's like you were addicted to something because of certain issues. Now you're like forgiving yourself and understanding that that just happened. It was not my mistake. Now I have to forgive myself and move forward. Like you are feeling like a relief that it was not because of me, right? That's this energy. You're healing your past, you're healing your traumas. That's what I'm getting. And you're freeing yourself. Yeah, look, we have instability. You're moving away from, oppression. You used to suppress your feelings. You used to not communicate your feelings to anyone. You used to do things for others. You used to seek, you used to, like, I feel like even you took other people's baggages. Like, you used to stress for other people. You used to do things for your friends. You used to take other people's responsibilities and make it your responsibility. You used to do a lot of things that was suppressing you, oppressing you. Yeah, you used to not communicate your feelings to others because you felt like that your feelings doesn't matter. But now you're understanding that your feelings matter, your emotions matter. But it was just those people didn't understand you. So you are leaving that phase of your life. Now you're coming in a phase where you like, I'm getting like you're mothering yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you're making yourself a priority, you're making a connection with spirit, and you're talking to spirit. Like, you're releasing a lot of stuff. I feel like with this full moon energy also, you're releasing all the things that is not good for you. And we have this eagle also, and you're looking at the bigger picture. What happened. Now I cannot change it. Now I have learned a lot of lessons from it. Now I'm going to move forward. I'm going to take my emotions seriously. When I'm feeling bad, I am going to, if you're feeling negative, you're like, okay, I'm feeling negative, I will just write it down, I will just release it. Or maybe I will talk to someone who will help me with this. Like, you're not afraid to talk to people about your emotions. Maybe in the past you used to be very afraid. So that's what I'm getting. You're freeing yourself. You're talking your heart out. You're not keeping it to yourself. Okay, that's the thing. And I'm getting spiritual progress for you guys, believing in spirit guides, believing in angels. And I feel like because of this, you are feeling that your life is getting better and better and better, right? So I feel like your life is getting better. You're freeing from yourself from that ideas that made you feel worse. You're letting go of that ideas. Maybe because of other people you felt worse. Sometimes other people can make feel worse. Like, we question ourselves. We feel like that we are not worthy. Maybe people have done that to you. Finally you're understanding it was not your mistake, and you're forgiving yourself, and you're moving forward. It's like a spiritually you are moving forward. I'm getting here things, you are viewing things from a complete different perception. Okay, I'm getting like divine intervention also for some of you. This maybe for some of you were thinking, why this didn't happen at that time, why didn't it happen at 2 years back when I was suffering? Because maybe you had to learn that lesson. It's just the divine timing I'm getting here. Just don't think too much about past. Don't blame yourself. Everything happened for a reason. Now you're out of this situation. You're freeing yourself. So don't think about the past. Don't ask. You have learned a lot of lessons. Now keep on moving forward, because there is progress for you guys. So don't be stuck in past anymore. That is also an advice, because you are moving away from your past. Let's see what else. For some of you, I feel like you might be doing something spiritually. Maybe you are learning tarot, you are learning astrology or something like that, or maybe you're a healer. You feel like that you have this ability. Just move forward with that, because that will give you a lot of success also. Maybe learning something new, learning tarot, learning astrology. Maybe you want to learn it, or some esoteric knowledge you want, or maybe you're learning about law of attraction or something like that. Go ahead and learn. It will only benefit you. Okay. Yeah, we had this repairing the body, mind and spirit. Yes, you need to take care of yourself, you need to heal. That is what is happening, and this energy is about taking care of yourself, making yourself a priority. If you don't feel like going out, you're not going out, you're taking care of yourself. You cannot be there for everyone at every time, because they have taken advantage of you, and they will take advantage of you. Now you're understanding that, now you're making yourself a priority, and that is what you need to do. You need to take care of yourself. You need to maybe you were overworking, you were taking other people's responsibility. Now it's time to let go of that. Take your mental health seriously, your physical health seriously. Work on that. That's what you need to do. And when you do that, that's when you will free yourself from all that past baggages. Because when we don't take care of ourselves, it can result into resentments, guilt, anger, right? So when we take care of ourselves, when we fill our cup, then we can give it to other people. Otherwise, how we will give when our cup is depleted? So that's what you need to do right now. And this is the new energy, where if you're freeing, I'm getting like that, you're freeing yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you are making yourself a priority, and that's what you need to do. And let that emotions, let out that emotions. Maybe for some of you, if you're seeking a counselor or going to therapy, keep on doing that. Take care of yourself, take care of your mental health. Okay, like a sense of freedom, a sense of peace, a sense of calmness is coming your way. You're not over stressing. This is the new energy. You're healing. You're not stressing too much. You're taking care of yourself. You're not worried about your future anymore. You're not worried about what others think. You're not into this people pleasing anymore. That's what I'm getting. Let's see. Wow. Definitely this is a new beginning for you guys, a new start for you guys. In terms of mentally you're feeling very good about yourself. Mental issues like anxiety, letting go of that anxiety, letting go of that addictions. It's a new energy. Like someone who comes out of prison, they were like they didn't have the freedom to go anywhere. They had to abide by certain rules. Now you are like, because you were also be like that, very like that, like going by the rules, living under someone's control, like maybe your parents, or by societal rules. Now you're like freeing yourself. Now you're taking care of yourself. Now you don't care what other people talk about you. You don't care too much. So that's the thing. This is the new beginning here for you guys. Wow, we have spiritual partnership. So definitely you're not going to do this, you're not alone in this. There are people who will support you. And with the spiritual partnership, I'm even getting like you have certain spirit guides, certain team around you who is motivating you, who is inspiring you, who is sending you signs. You're seeing a lot of signs. They're telling you to get up, wake up, take yours, do the things you want to do, do the things that makes you happy, right? If you want to just buy a, if you have been feeling like to buy a pet, maybe go and buy a pet. Something like that came out, like getting out in nature, spending time in nature, connecting with the animals. That will help you a lot, I feel like. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like I feel for you guys, it was a very dark phase. Now you're seeing the light. Finally you're seeing the light. And with a spiritual partnership, I feel like you're meeting someone new. Like this can be a soulmate, this can be a friend who will understand you, who you can talk to, who you can you can share all the things that you have gone through, and they will not judge you. You're meeting those kind of people, and they will give you a different perspective. And you will be able to like, yeah, I didn't do anything wrong. I feel like you have been blaming yourself. You have been in this guilt, like maybe your parents made you feel guilty for something that you were not wrong. Like maybe you asked for something that you needed, and your parents told you like, why you are saying this, we don't have that much money, you only think about yourself. Maybe your parents did that, and you felt like that you were wrong. But no, you were not. Okay, so that's the feeling I'm getting. Like you're healing yourself, you're freeing yourself from all those past things, the people what they said to you, you're repairing, you're healing, you're becoming a new person from inside. That's it for group number 1. Bye bye. Group number 2, if you have chosen this hematite, let's see what is this new beginning, what is this new energy for you guys. I'm getting carrying connection, so definitely if you're single, there is someone coming your way. So new people, meeting new people, feeling safe with people, new connections, carrying connection. This person is like giving you flowers, going on a date, new energy, new love for some of you. That's something. Feeling like maybe for some of you it's like with this feeling very successful, victorious. Maybe for some of you will be completing a project and feeling very happy about it. So you will have a party, you will celebrate, so you will be feeling very accomplished. This can be a start for something new, like a new project is coming your way. You're feeling good, you're feeling very confident around people. Okay. If you're already in a partnership, I feel like this partnership is going to grow more stronger and stronger. You're going to be pampered. Maybe if you have a birthday coming up, you might receive flowers, you might receive gifts, and you will feel very, very happy. Okay. So a lot of love from your family. Maybe you will achieve something, and so your family will be very proud of you. Victory, I'm getting success for some of you, like a feeling of victory, feeling of success, completing a task, like when we complete our exams, like and then we get the results, like something about that. Also you're getting the result and you're feeling proud of yourself, and family members are calling you, they are congratulating you. For some of you it's like you're marrying, so people are congratulating you. So this can be a new beginning for some of you in terms of marriage, or maybe conceiving, having a child, feeling pampered. Everyone is coming together, so a lot of caring, feeling loved, feeling you're being taken care, people are taking care of you. That's something I'm getting here. So a lot of changes are coming there in your relationship. People are taking care of you, people are listening to you, you're loved, you're pampered. That's the energy. You're being appreciated. Okay. Okay, so let's see what is this new energy for you guys. What is this new beginning? Oh wow, we have door to value and walking away here. So what I'm getting is like you're walking away from something that was not working for you guys, and you're going to a place where you will get more money. Like you are going to a place where there will be people who will care, as well as you will get a raise in your finances. So maybe for some of you this can be a new job where you are going, where people are loving, people are like family. That's something I'm getting. There is a raise in finances, people are like getting bonus, or it can be your salary is like raised for some of you. Like yeah, that's also I'm getting here. Maybe for some of you, marrying someone who is very abundant financially, they are good. So for some of you, that is also I'm getting here, a marriage where you're feeling very safe with this person, you're feeling very secure about your future. So that can be also the thing, and this person will help you in your growth, like they will help you with your career. So yeah, it's like for some of you it's about marriage. I'm getting new life, new home, maybe shifting to a new place. If you're single, meeting a new person, and this person might help you with your finances. They might give you good financial advice, or maybe a new boss who will give you good financial advice, or maybe they will raise your finances, like your salary or something like that, getting bonus, how to make good money, they will give you advice on that. So like a lot of caring people. Or maybe for some of you might receive money from your family, and that will make you very happy. Like maybe you will pass an exam, so your family might gift you something, so you feel very happy. Like if you're students, I feel like things are progressing for you guys. You might be applying to some university, you might get accepted, and maybe it's a different country. You will go there and you will feel very happy, because there will be people who will care for you. Good people, you're meeting good people. So that's this new energy. So if you're planning to shift somewhere, if you have a new job, if you're moving to a different location for a new job, there people will care for you. You're going to meet good people. That's what I'm getting here. And don't lose hope, don't lose confidence, because your confidence will give you success. So your confidence is the key to success. Like your confidence is the key to success. That's what I'm getting here. Work through your fears, guys. For some of you, you're very afraid to go to a different location or a different place. So don't lose this opportunity. That is also what I'm getting here. So maybe for some of you, you have fear of commitment. and work through it. That's something I'm getting here. Work through your fears, guys. Because this is a very good opportunity. It's time to take action. So maybe you will get a good opportunity, maybe because of your fear to lose, like maybe for some of you have a fear, like what if I change location, what if that doesn't work. So maybe you might lose this opportunity because of your fear. So don't let that happen, this new beginning. Okay, yeah, your hard work is paying off, and believe in the impossible. So yeah, definitely, if you have been working on a project, that project will be successful. That's something I'm getting. For some of you, as I told you, you have been working, you have been preparing for an exam, maybe you have been giving interviews. So your hard work is definitely paying off. Believe in the impossible, believe in yourself, work through your fears. And I'm getting like for some of you, there might be an opportunity coming your way, and because of your fear you may lose this opportunity. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, so don't lose it. Don't lose it because of your fear. So that's something you need to work on. You need to work on your confidence. Okay, there is definitely an opportunity coming your way. It can be a love opportunity, it can be a work opportunity, it can be a study opportunity, it can be an opportunity to raise your finances. But if you have fear, if you sometimes we think about our past and we don't take the opportunity, then you might lose it, because this is a once in a while opportunity. This you will never get this opportunity again. Okay, so remember that. So let's see, what is this new beginning? Wow, prosperity. So yeah, definitely financial, door to value and prosperity. For some of you, you might be receiving some inheritance from your family or something like that. Maybe your family will gift you some money, or maybe a home. Maybe you will marry a person who is financially well. That's something I'm getting. So yeah, this is the new energy. Maybe moving into a new home, a bigger home. That is something I'm getting. Feeling very happy, feeling very successful, feeling very victorious. Maybe moving to a new job that will give you more money. So yeah, you have been working hard for this. This is a once in a while opportunity. Don't lose this opportunity because of your fears, because this will give you a lot of happiness, a lot of financial gain. So definitely a lot of financial gain, a lot of success, victory. That's what is coming. Relationship wise also, there is a lot of love, a lot of abundance with this prosperity, like caring people, caring the people where you will feel very safe, a place where people like friends will be like family. So that's something I'm getting here. So don't I'm getting, for some of you, you have a fear of commitment or maybe a fear of change. So because of this fear, don't lose this opportunity. That's coming very strong. This new beginning is in your hands. If you resist that change, you might lose it. Okay, for some of you, someone will propose you. Maybe you will be very fearful to commit to this person. Don't do that. Like I'm getting like there is a fear here. There is a fear inside of you. Like if I commit to this person, will things go wrong? And because of it, you will be like, no, I'll not commit. So I feel like you might lose this opportunity because of your fear. So let that fear go. Okay, work through your fears. Believe in yourself. Like yeah, go slow. Take one step at a time. You don't have to do everything in one day. Go slow. Okay, think before you take action. Don't let that fear come in between. Like a person is like crossing this river, and they just like they took first step, second step, third step, fourth step. Now they are afraid to take the fifth step, right? And now only they have to take little bit more steps, so they're afraid. So like I'm also feeling like that. Like you have taken 4 steps. Now maybe because of your fear, you might come back, or let go of that fear. Be confident, move forward. If you will move forward, you will cross this river, and this is a whole new life for you guys. But if you let your fear come in, you might go back. Okay, so that's something I have to say. This new beginning is full of love, full of financial prosperity, lot of abundance, but this is a once in a while opportunity. You will not receive this opportunity again and again and again. Okay, so go slow, take your time before rejecting something or someone. Think before, trust your intuition, and then do. Okay, and don't let your fear, I'm getting homesickness. For some of you, you're very afraid to leave your home, to go to a different place. So let go of that fear. That's something I'm feeling very strongly for you guys. Yeah, when you let go of that fear, when you move forward, you will have that gain, you will have that financial gain. For some of you, it's like collaboration with different people. Maybe for some of you, you will get collaboration ideas, like collaborating. People will want to collaborate with you if you're on social media or whatever work you do. People will be collaborating with you, and you will be like, no, I work alone. I don't want to collaborate with people. I'm just doing my work alone. I will do alone only. So no, collaborate with people, because this will give you more success, more financial gain. Okay, if you're a business person, collaboration will give you more money, more success, more victory. So so don't let this opportunity go. Don't let this new beginning slip out from your hands. Okay, that's something I'm getting here, because only the thing that will come in between is your fear of failure, maybe because of your past. That's a lot. For some of you, a new home is also on its way. Yeah, maybe you will buy a new home and you will feel very happy in that new home. So if you're trying to like if you're looking for home, that is quite possible now. Your hard work will pay off in that also. Be confident, guys. Be confident. Yeah, Magician's sword. Confidence in your magic. What I was telling you, be confident, work through your fears, believe in yourself. Yes, you can do it. Yeah, sometimes we feel like that, oh my god, this is something out of my comfort zone. I don't do this. I don't collaborate with people. I don't stay away from my home. I cannot do this. I cannot do this. Sometimes we feel like that, right? So don't allow this. Be confident and take this opportunity, grab this opportunities and move forward. That's what Spirit is telling me, and that will lead to success, that will lead to victory, that will lead to financial gain, that will lead to good caring relationship. You will meet new people who will help you, will take care of you, good friendships, right? So get out of your comfort zone. Group number 2, adventure. For some of you, definitely travel, changes, don't resist change. There is a lot of adventure that is waiting for you guys in terms of work, in terms of relationship. If you're single, maybe for some of you, no, I'm afraid to commit to this person because I had in my past there were problems. So maybe for some of you, you will take like half steps, like in this relationship, you will be meeting this person, but when they will ask for a commitment, you will fear and you will go back. So don't do that. Don't let your fear come back. That's what life is, an adventure. Enjoy. Okay, enjoy that. Yeah, look. Love partnership. For some of you, definitely it's a love partnership coming your way. This is the new energy. So yeah, for some of you, this can be your fear. Your fear might kick in and you might have problem with that. That's what you need to work on. Maybe someone will propose you for marriage and you're like, no, I'm not ready for marriage, and you might lose that person. And I feel like Spirit is telling you to think before you say something. Think. Okay, so this person is like, so for some of you will meet someone new, and this is the one I'm getting, like you're manifesting a soulmate relationship, friendship. Okay, so yeah, that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Number 3, if you have chosen Bloodstone, let's see what is this new beginning for you guys, new energy. So I feel like the energy of confidence. This is the energy of confidence, energy of glow up. You're feeling very new, you're feeling very confident, you're getting a lot of ideas, you're working on that ideas, new creative ideas, you're feeling very passionate, you're very passionate about your work, you're passionate about your relationship, you're passionate about how you like the way you dress, you're passionate about everything. That's what I'm getting here. You're feeling very confident in yourself. You're accepting your flaws. Yeah, you're accepting your flaws and you're finding confidence in that also. So you're embracing joy, joyfulness. I feel like that is the new energy of joy, pleasure. You're attracting more joy and pleasure into your life. You're feeling joyful. You're enjoying your life. If you wear a dress, you're going to enjoy the dress. You're feeling you're feeling good in that, right? If you're a male, if you buy a new shirt or new pants or whatever you wear, you're going to enjoy it, right? You're going to enjoy yourself and feel confident in it, right? So I'm getting like your confidence is going to shine. Your confidence is shining. Lot of new creative ideas you're getting. So trust your gut feeling. These ideas will take to your different path, and these ideas will build your like it's going to build you up, like building blocks. Things are going to build up for you guys. Like when we do construction, right, where we build the bricks, right, like that you're building yourself, you're building your character, you're gaining that confidence, you're getting a lot of creative ideas, you're working on that ideas, and you're enjoying your work. That's the thing, you're enjoying your work, you're feeling very joyful about your work, and you're putting your 100% and enjoying. You're not judging your work, you're not judging your skills, you're becoming more confident in that. Maybe in the past you used to judge, you used to doubt yourself. This new energy is like you're not doubting yourself, you're accepting your flaws, and that's what makes you unique, and that's what makes your work unique with that flaws, right? Yeah, everyone cannot be perfect, right? So you are accepting your flaws and working. You're not giving up, you're not in the mode of giving up, you're becoming more strong and courageous, and that's what I'm getting with this Archangel Chamuel solar plexus chakra. Okay, so definitely we have number 10 also. So you are ending a cycle, new cycle is beginning where you're feeling confident. So in the past you used to doubt yourself, you used to doubt your work, maybe you were trying to improve your flaws, you tried but you are not able to do that, right? But you tried your best, but now you're realizing that this is me, this is how I speak, this is how I do my work. Yes, this flaws makes my work unique, right? And you're accepting yourself and you're giving your 100%. And what I see is like now people will accept you for your flaws because you are accepting yourself, right? So you're accepting yourself, your inner is changing, so you will see the outer changing. So I feel like new ideas are coming your way. There is going to be a shift in direction, shift in your perception. You're accepting your flaws, and with the flaws, when we accept our flaws, we are not afraid of anything, right? So I'm getting this energy of fearlessness for you guys. You're feeling fearless, you're feeling very strong, you're feeling very courageous, and you're ready to take action. If you get a creative idea, you're not going to think 100 times before taking action. You're just like, I feel it in my gut and I'm going to take action. So yeah, you're going to be very joyful, a lot of pleasure is coming your way. I'm getting like that, a lot of happiness, you're feeling very happy from inside. Yeah, look, we have angel of love, definitely feel full of love, you're feeling loved. And we have Archangel Michael. Maybe you work with Archangel Michael also, so maybe you have been trying to ground yourself, like balance your root chakra. Maybe sometimes I feel like when our root chakra is imbalanced, we doubt ourselves, we don't trust in ourselves, we have financial fears. But finally what I see is like you are trusting yourself, you are accepting your flaws, you are loving yourself, you're making self-love a priority. So this new beginning is like making self-love a priority, taking care of yourself, not being too attached to anyone or anything, at the same time loving yourself, taking care of yourself, accepting yourself with flaws, and not taking life very seriously. That's what I'm getting for you guys. Yeah, you have been taking life very seriously. Now you're like, why I'm taking life very seriously? I'm just going to enjoy life, I'm going to feel joyful. So you're taking small step towards that, and you're going slow. So for some of you, I even see that you are taking care of your diet. Like maybe for some of you, you are eating vegetarian food a lot, maybe eating a lot of greens. So you're taking your health seriously. Maybe for some of you, you're trying to lose weight also. But but it's not because you want to show it to other people, it's because just you want to lose it for yourself, because that makes you happy. You're not doing it for other people, you're doing it for yourself. So whatever you're doing, you're doing for yourself, and this is the new energy I'm getting. You're embracing yourself, you're accepting yourself, and when we accept ourselves now, then no one can let us down, right? No one's word will hurt us, because we have accepted ourselves, we are confident in ourselves, and this is the new energy. I feel like this pile has dealt with that problem, like you always used to think what others will think, you always did for other people, but now finally you're like you're very courageous and you are doing things for yourself, not for others. Like you help other people, but when if someone tries to cross that boundary, you will be like, no, I cannot do it, and you will not allow that kind of people. You will not get them into your head. Okay, that's something I'm getting. If someone criticizes you, you will look, yeah, should I do that? Did I do anything wrong? Then you will just look. You know, you will just do a review, and then you will feel like, no, I didn't do anything wrong, and you will just let that person out. Like, yeah, you will have a boundary. I'm getting that's the thing. You're becoming very strong. I'm getting this Queen of Swords energy from you guys. Very confident, very intuitive, as well as you know who you need to let in, and you know who you need to let out. That is the energy of confidence. This is this new beginning. Feeling very confident, feeling happy in yourself. Not comparing yourself to other people. That's something I'm getting. That's what you're changing, I feel like. You're not judging your own work, your own life. You're not judging. You're balancing. You're going to have a very balanced life. That's what I'm feeling. Let's see. What is this new beginning for me, guys? Wow. The energy is gaining momentum. So I feel like, you know, with this, the energy is gaining momentum. So yeah, you're definitely feeling confident in yourself, in your skills. So if you have been working on a project, and if that thing, like whatever you're working on, if the thing was very slow, I feel like that thing is going to gain momentum, and things are going to speed up for you guys. So yeah, it's like maybe for some of you, you will get a idea, and for example, if you're an artist, you paint a certain way, you will get an idea and you will be painting in a different way, and this painting will go like, people will love it, and if you're selling it, people will be buying it. So that's something I'm getting. So there is like a shift in a direction, small shift in direction. Mainly it's because you're becoming more confident in yourself, you're not doubting your work, and that's why the energy is gaining momentum, because you're loving yourself, you're accepting your flaws. That's why you will see progress. That's why you will see things speeding up. Okay, that's what I'm getting. The energy is definitely gaining momentum. Yeah, your commitment is being tested. So yes, spirit was testing you. Spirit was seeing whether you were like doubting yourself, or were you confident. So maybe there were times where you used to doubt yourself, doubt your work, and take criticism very seriously. You used to struggle with that. Finally, you are like believing in yourself, you're becoming confident, and that's why the energy is gaining momentum. That's why things are going to progress for you guys. So if you were feeling stuck, if you were working on a project, that project was not moving, I see there is growth, there is movement, there is progression happening for you guys, and you will be feeling so happy. But yeah, you will be feeling happy, you will be feeling joyful, you will be trusting universe more and more and more. That's what I'm feeling for you guys. You will be believing in your own ideas, because you're going to see that progress. So let's see what else. Oh, look at it, guys. Clarity, confidence, feeling very confident, singing to your own song, like doing the things what your heart says. Like for some of you, you are going to dance because of joy. So there is something happening that will make you very happy and very joyful. So maybe for some of you, it can be a progress. You will see a lot of progress, like your hard work is paying off. You're seeing progress, you're seeing movement. So maybe for some of you are trying for something, it was not happening, finally it's happening. Like finally you're getting acceptance to something, you're getting accepted by a university, by someone, like you're feeling very joyful. The sun is very like the sun is so shining. Your life is going to shine for you guys. You're going to glow. Okay, for some of you in your relationship there is progress. Maybe your relationship was not moving forward, finally you're seeing progress. This person is calling you, they are loving you, they are accepting who you know, they are accepting you. That's what I'm feeling, because when we accept ourselves, people accept us. So that's what is happening. You're loving yourself, you're taking care of yourself, and that's why other people are seeing your glow up, and they are accepting you. So there is some good news definitely coming your way. This will be a start of a new job for some of you, a new project, a shift in your perception, things getting very clear, feeling very joyful, enjoying your work, singing, dancing to your own song. That's what I'm getting here. Again, we have 19 and a number 2, right? So balance, lot of balance, relationship balance. For some of you, it's like your divine feminine and divine masculine is balancing. Maybe you used to work a lot, you didn't receive that much. Now it's like the more you work, the more you get. The less you, like how much you give to the universe, you get it back. That kind of energy I'm getting here. Yeah, things are going to be very, very, very clear for you guys. If you're trying to conceive, maybe this is like you're getting pregnant and this is a new beginning for you guys. Maybe you have been trying to conceive, finally you're going to conceive, and you're loving yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you're nurturing yourself. So there is a lot of nurturing energy here. You're mothering yourself, you're taking care, you're enjoying life. So this is the new energy. Even though things are hard, you know, sometimes some days will be harder, right? But you know, you're not going to cry like why this happened, why. You are going to just take that lesson and move forward. Like, yeah, this was needed for my growth. Your perception about life is completely different. So that's why I'm getting, because of this you have learned a lot of lessons. You are not afraid by any challenges anymore. But and that's why I feel like a lot of joyfulness is coming your way. Like your energy has shifted, your perception has shifted a lot, and you are accepting yourself. Self-acceptance I'm getting. When we accept ourselves, everyone accepts it. I'm getting that energy. Wow, look at it, guys. You have 3 major arcanas. We have Magician and we have the World. Yeah, end of a toxic cycle. And it's like what I feel with this World card, you know, it's like you underestimated yourself in the past. You thought that you couldn't do it. You cannot be your own magician. You felt like that you don't have that magic inside. You felt that you were not beautiful. You felt that your skills were not important. You felt that you were not worthy. But what is happening is like you are ending that cycle. Now you are understanding your own worth. You are understanding that you can create the reality that you want. Okay, with this Sun and Magician, some manifestations of yours are definitely coming. I feel like that this is like you're feeling confident in yourself, you're accepting yourself, and in this new energy you're not worried about your future anymore, because you have accepted yourself and you know that you have the talents, you have the skills. If you lose one opportunity, there will be different opportunity. You're believing in yourself. That's why you're going to see the change. Wow, like a lot of joy. This new energy is like of manifestation. Like you're going to manifest a lot of things. You will have all the resources. You will be provided with all the resources. If you want something, you will get it. Divine will give you, I'm sure, in form of people or in form of money. Whatever it is you need, you will get. Okay, and with this World card, it's like you are building up your confidence. You're building blocks. That's what I'm getting, like building blocks, like how we build a building, right? You're like building yourself and you're growing, and you will be on the top. Okay, because you have shifted your you have shifted your perception, and that's why things are changing for you guys. And you got 3 majors, so this is going to be major beginning for you guys. For some of you, this can even be you will be traveling to some new place. For some of you it's more about spiritual, like mentally you're traveling, like different perception, different idea about yourself. The way you thought about yourself is entirely different now. You don't think the way you used to think about yourself in the past. Now your thinking is like, yes, I'm enough, I can do things by myself, I am independent, if I want something, I will get it, like that kind of energy. You're accepting yourself, you're accepting your flaws, and that's why things are changing, right? So definitely what I see is this new beginning is like a lot of happiness for you guys. Maybe for some of you thought that you will never be able to lose weight. I'm getting the sense where you took yourself for granted, you underestimated yourself. Now you know that who you are, and because of it you like, yes, I underestimated myself, I've thought that I didn't have any skills, but you're letting go of that. Okay, you're balancing your inner energies, like you're balancing yourself. Wow, this is nice. And I feel like the main shift is inside of you. That's the thing. This new beginning is that's like you are accepting yourself. You're making yourself a priority. I feel like that also. You're making self-love is a priority for yourself. Like if someone like criticizes you or makes you feel like shit, you're not going to take that. Like you're becoming very confident. You will stand your ground. You will stand up for yourself now. And that's why a lot of joyfulness, a lot of pleasure, a lot of happiness, like a lot of manifestation, a lot of wishes are coming true for you guys, because you believe in yourself. The people who believe in themselves, they see the magic. If you believe, you see it, right? Believing is seeing. And I even feel like that you have been feeling this new energy for so long. So I feel like maybe for some of you a book will be presented or an idea will be presented, and that will change a direction a little bit. The way you're going, the direction will shift a little bit, but this will be for your best. So don't resist any change, guys, okay? That's something I'm getting. And look, we have 3 of Cups, joy. Again, I told you joy, joyfulness, pleasure, happiness. For some of you, maybe you're manifesting new relationship, new friendships that will build you up. They will recognize you. They will recognize your talent. So you're meeting those kinds of people who are recognizing your skills, who are appreciating you. Like that's a lot of appreciation, recognition. Look, we have the sun here. The sun is shining here. Then we have solar plexus. This is also about yellow. A lot of yellow. So yes, you're shining. Your confidence is shining now. And people are attracted. When the sun shines, it's so strong. The light is so bright. You're also like this bright energy. So if you go in a crowd also, people will notice you because of your brightness. Your energy is so high vibe. Your vibration is changing. Look, in the hand, the universe is your partner. Again, we have this yellow color. Look at that flame. The universe is with you. The universe is your partner. You can manifest anything with the universe. And this Vunyu crystal is also, rune is also about law of attraction. So how you feel, what you feel, you attract. Your feelings are very important. If you feel like that, yes, I'm strong, I'm confident, I can achieve whatever I want to achieve, you will achieve. So yeah, universe is there for you. They are guiding you. They are taking care of you. You don't have to worry about your protection also, because they are protecting you. Yeah, you're forgiving yourself. You're forgiving others. You're healing. Yeah, a lot of healing is happening for you guys. I feel like this cycle was all about your healing. You were healing yourself. You're believing in yourself. I feel like for past 1 year or 2 years, you were doing the work where you were gaining that confidence, where you were believing in yourself. It was a process where you felt like some days were tough, where you used to not believe yourself, you used to doubt yourself. But finally, you are in this energy where you're very confident in yourself. And you are working with spirit, you're working with universe, you have a very strong connection with universe. Definitely you are seeing a lot of signs, a lot of messages. Maybe through different people you receive messages, or maybe through songs you receive messages. You get a lot of ideas, work on that ideas. So yes, you were healing I feel like this new beginning is like you're healing. You have ended a chapter. You have like crossed that bridge. Now this is a new direction for you guys. You're not in your past anymore. You're not in your past anymore. You have let go of all the things. You have let go of your own shortcomings. I feel like that. You felt like you have this shortcoming. You're not talented. You used to believe like that, but finally you're letting go of it. You're letting go of that past failures, everything, and this is a new direction for you guys. So let's see what else. For some of you, I'm getting like maybe for some of you it's like you might start working from home, or maybe if you have a social media, the social media page will be more successful. If you haven't been recognized, I feel like recognition is coming. So don't give up. Do that manifestation. Do that rituals. Keep on doing work. Keep on working on your manifestations, guys. Forgiveness. Look, forgiveness and happy ending. Yes, we have this repairing the veil. You were forgiving yourself. You were in this process of forgiving yourself, others. You were forgiving your own shortcomings, your past failures, what other people have done to you when you were not recognized, when other people took you for granted, when other people teased you. You are forgiving that. You have been in this process of forgiving yourself. You were working with your, you were doing the shadow work also. Look what is happening. Happy ending. For some of you, you're forgiving someone and coming back together. It can be a relationship also. For some of you, that is like going to end very happily. For some of you, it's like your own happy ending, like where you have completed a chapter of healing. You have healed this past traumas. You have forgiven people. Now it's like you're feeling very happy, you're feeling confident. Again, look at the color, yellow, right? You're feeling bright, you're feeling joyful, you're feeling full of pleasure, full of happiness. This is the new energy. So yes, I feel like you were in between worlds where things were not the worst, but things were not the best also. But finally you are crossing that, you're getting out of that in between worlds. Now you are stepping into this happy ending where you're feeling very good, that yes, you're feeling very good about this healing thing. Now it's like a new chapter where you're feeling very joyful, where you're very connected with the universe. Universe wants you, like your intuition is very strong. Whenever there is something going bad happening, you will be warned, and you will take action accordingly. Like I feel like your life is getting easier. Yeah, because if you meet someone, you can see through their lies. So you're not getting into any traps because you're very clever now because you're working with the universe. That's what I'm getting here. Wow. So that's it for my group number 3. Bye bye, take care.